mano ki they. Who are they? Ki they ki parlok jonga. They are my friends. Balay ki wan shane. Why are they coming here? Ban wan kai shayeng jonga to visit my house. Minta kipor ambhare. These days it is not good. Ban yakendo bril to meet people. Kumba P tip. As you know, uknyang jingpang u dang dun. The virus is still there. Ngan le kumno yaki parlok jonga. What should I do with my friends? Pa len pai no yaki. Ask them to go back. Ong yaki what's ngo a. Tell them don't mind. Da sumar bha yaladie. Take care of yourself. Pipat pinlen sha'e. And you, where are you going? Ngan len tien jing tien. I am going to buy something. Wat yang hajan jongnu ro. Don't stand nearby anyone. They bandan in real put. There should be 6 feet. Jngai iway na iway. Far from each other. Bot yaki kendon naka sarkar. Follow government rules. Lada pim le. If you don't do it, pin sha pin shitam. You'll be punished. Pin sapriang ya ka kubor. Spread the news. Ka'ay kabaday but ka'ay kabamday banle. What are the do's and don'ts? Tolong kiba ba clear. Be responsible. Naka benta kayeng for the family.